Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Jill. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, when they get one video when I see for this Kakodi Benson wife. So when I see the video and when I see the woman, the thing just shocked me, my people. When I just see her, the thing just like, as per that I would say, it chocolatize them. The thing when I just see the woman, I say, but that man get money now. The man a big man. Who don't know Kakodi Benson for Benin there, for Niger? Everybody know Kakodi Benson now. The man get money. How come my wife can't be like that, the ex-wife? The thing can't surprise me. When I just see the woman, I just shock. I say, what did this woman come just do rich like this? Do the man rich like this? Where will you abandon her? And he get 3 children for her. He say, oh, they with her for America. When I just see the video, the thing just shocked me. I say, what did this woman come do rich like that? My people. Because we can't hear rich like that. They say when the woman they come out, which they come out for Kakodi Benson as, he not come out with one pain. He not come out with anything. So when she come there for these years, maybe say she not feel cry come out since. The thing just shocked me when I see the video. I say, what did this woman can't do rich like that? Where this man just abandon her, nothing. If you see where this woman they sleep, I go put the picture of Mona see my people. Even beggars, we come was past, they don't go even sleep that kind of place safe. The thing then when I see him, I just shocked. Me looking at that woman, you know that woman, she was a really like that is beautiful woman. But the way she can't be now, so far no good though, my people. Best way they swim for inside money. And I just saying 12 they even make the money together, all those things. What it can't happen rich like that? Where can go the best go just abandon her? On don't know royal mambo. And that man get him now. This man get money. When you say somebody get money, my people. So what it go happen rich like that? Where be say 2 of them can just separate like that, my people. The thing surprised me, and they get children. If children, to all of them just abandon their mama. Who know what they abandon tell the children now? Who know what they don't tell them? Maybe doctor they say the papa, the woman, the woman never they alive again. Because for her to come just they ever since like that, they suffer. This man just abandon her. My people, what do you think for this video? For this woman topic, so what do you think, my people? You way they watch me now, what do you think? Because the thing they surprise me, when I see her, I shock. Say woman when the husband get money like that, the children now when they go see their mother, they will shock because the thing now don't fool everywhere. There is no way the man will don't see her. People will don't call the man say your wife don't come out. People will don't call her. And the second wife when they married that time, we see here that time they say the woman he go sleep with the gate man that time. And they say drive that one too. Say that one go sleep with the gate man that time. What can they happen when this man go just abandon the wife just like that? My people, the thing surprised me. If you're not surprised, it surprised me. When they tell the woman make evil talk, you see the evil talk say he still love the man. He still love the man for that years. When the evil say abandon her, she see they say he still love the man. I pity for the woman. When I see her, man, it shock me. And the woman said she looks sick. Now help that woman need Make they find out take contact that man. That man go don't see the video. Now, if you tell me say never see him because the video don't full everywhere. It don't full all the social media. So that man, if you tell me say never see that video, you go don't see him because that video full everywhere. So there is no way when he not go to see him. My people, it surprised me. No. See where the video where this woman they sleep. You wish when they go to sick now. Because the place they dirty where. There is no how where the woman not go take sick. There is no how. Hey, my people, what's it called the happen these days? We not can understand them again at all. We don't understand them again. What's it called the happen for this world now? Let's see when the husband get money like that, now they suffer like that. My people, first when the husband get money, who don't know this man? I go the feel say people they joke. Kaku the Bensi, who don't know him? The man get money. Pity wife. Only God know what to make that woman come for that hospital taking pain. Only God know what to cause him. I been at the man not agree make it take anything. I be me not can understand. Because some say now the woman no one take you just come out just like that. If you take don't the verse reach that side. As you separate with the man, if you carry this, I will just come out like that without pain. Okay, this woman I not get family. If family not supposed to even help him too. She's supposed to get family too. So if family not free help him, we come be saying now let she just come the suffer they go. All of them just come abandon her. The way your husband say abandon, all of them just abandon her and be waiting. This surprised me, oh my people. The thing surprised me. Family just abandon her. Everybody just abandon her. The suffer is too much for that woman. Kaku the Bensi, anywhere where you did. If this woman offend you or she do you anything, I beg forgive her. May you help her. Even your friends, they're not still they will don't see this video since they're supposed to even help the woman. Since may they even tell you say they don't keep her for a better place so before you will come back. If you're not there around. May they help this woman. This woman need help. The suffer is too much. The stress is too much. That woman need help. She need help. She need help. She need to go hospital first because she dey sick. She not dey okay at all. That woman needs serious help. I beg. Anybody who see this video, make they share am. Make he reach Kaku the best in hand though. He need to reach in hand. That woman need help. She need them. She need them. My people, she need that help. I beg. May they help this woman. Now only wetin we go fit beg. Now only wetin we go fit talk. Now be this one though. Not to help the woman. That woman need help. Only God know wetin cause and wey be say she comot. He not carry anything. He just comot just like that. Only God now know why. We not know. Only God now know wetin really cause the problem. We make am vex like that without carrying anything. God. Una need to see this woman picture. Una will shock. Person wey dey swim for inside money before. Now I could just be like that. My people. Things dey happen, no. Things dey happen for this world, Things dey happen. Things dey happen, This man wey sing that music say, Aregbe viri no lie, everybody will dey look each other. We dey look each other somehow. Na be wetin I talk just now. Na be wetin e mean, Everybody just dey look each other. We don't know each other. We don't know wetin dey each other mind, We don't know wetin dey each other mind. If not be that person wey video this woman now, people if say the woman self, maybe it shouldn't go. If say their woman don't die, they don't even know say she still dey alive. They don't know because they feel that because maybe they're this small when the woman come out that time. So anything when they tell them, they will believe. They will believe. The children go down grown and they see their mother all shock. I pray me they see her more. Maybe they tell them that their mother be this one. Because the man would just say marry another woman. Tete. I just pray. May they see her. May they help their mother. Nothing like mother. May they help their mother, I pity for them. I really, really feel pity for that woman. Because to seeing that woman alone, you know, say the woman not dey okay. She need help. She need help. Kaku the Bensi. Anything where this woman do you, we they follow the woman they beg. Me you forgive her. Help her. She need help. Help her, I beg. She need them. She need help. So thank you everybody, and share this video for me. Please, please, please just share this video. Share and so that make you reach everybody, and I beg. Thank you everybody. If you are listening to this video, please just sit down and listen very, very well, because this story is too it really this sad. My people, it is sad. Well. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Share and like my video. So anything what you think about this video, let me know for the comment section. So thank you everybody, and take care. Bye.